students, today we'll see new experiment. See this, in this experiment, a foodstuff will be provided, and from that foodstuff we have to detect whether the given foodstuff contains carbohydrates, proteins, fat and oil. So aim of the experiment is to detect the presence of carbohydrate, proteins, fat and oil in the given foodstuff. Now if you observe the words carbohydrates, proteins, fat and oil, what are these? These are the biomolecules. Some more biomolecules are there like a lipid, enzymes, okay. So these biomolecules regulate the biochemical processes that occur in our body like blood circulation, digestion, respiration. All these biochemical processes are regulated by the regulated by the biomolecules. All these biochemical processes that occur in our body. So in this experiment, foodstuff is provided and we have to detect whether which kind of biomolecule it contains. It is very simple experiment. It will be asked for 2 marks in the board examination. See, today we have to detect this biomolecule from the given sample. The given sample is in the liquid state. Now see, whenever the given sample is in the liquid state, it must be either fat or oil. So we have to directly go to the test for the fat and oil. So in your text, in your handbook, on the page number 76, we have test for fat and oil. So first is the solubility test. So in the solubility test, what we do, we have to take a little amount of sample. So this is the sample and we have to add what? Water into it. See, I am adding a little amount of water into it. After the addition of water, you will see two different layer, because you know oil and water, they are immiscible. Okay, the density of oil and density of water is different. So thereby they are what? Immiscible. So it is immiscible. Second solubility test we have to perform, we have to take a substance and in that substance what we have to add? Chloroform. So now I am taking again little amount of substance again. See here, the given foodstuff, okay, the given foodstuff, and in this what we have to add? A chloroform. Here we have a chloroform. See, this is a chloroform bottle, formula CHCl3. I am adding this chloroform. After addition, you won't get to different layer. After addition, check it properly. See, you will not see different layer. Can you see? A single layer you will see here. Can you see? A miscible. So the substance is miscible in chloroform. So when it is miscible, so when it is immiscible in water and miscible in chloroform, it confirms that the given foodstuff may contain oil and fat. So now we have to perform solubility test, which is a spot test. Spot test again a very simple. We have to take a filter paper, and on that filter paper we have to take a drop of the sample. See, I am taking a drop of the sample. You can use glass rod to take a drop. See, I am taking a drop on filter paper. After that, I am compressing it like this. I am folding. What do you see? You see a oil stain. So fat and oil is confirmed. That much. And now we have to write result. The given foodstuff contains what? Fat and oil. Is it clear? So very simple experiment, will be asked for 2 marks in the examination. You're not supposed to lose marks in this experiment. Okay? Bye. Thank you.